English Standard 4. My dear students, I hope you all have learnt the poem. Let's revise it one more time. Today you will say the poem along with me. Rain in the night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. That's pretty good. Now I am going to explain you about the various signs that you can see in this poem. So let's begin. The topic is punctuation. Children, I want you to listen carefully and remember the names that I will mention. Punctuations are different signs that are used in a sentence. To begin with, the first one, full stop. Children, you must have used this punctuation many a times while writing your answer. We always end an answer with a full stop, or when we complete a sentence, most of the time we end it with a full stop. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. Every time you see a full stop, you must stop. The next one, this punctuation is called as comma. Example, you want to write the names of the colors in the rainbow. So how you will write it? Yes, the colors in the rainbow are violet, comma, indigo, comma, blue, comma, green, comma, yellow, comma, orange and red. So I think you must have understood when to use a comma. Yes, you will use a comma to separate the items in a list and shows a break in a sentence. So look at the example on the screen. Before bed each night, comma, I brush my teeth, comma, I put on my pajamas and then I read a book, full stop. The next one we have is called as apostrophe. It looks like a comma, but it is written on the top right side of a letter. Just as we write our school's name, St. Jude's High School. In the word Jude's, we write it as Jude apostrophe S. So this apostrophe shows belongs to whom it is belonging to. And this apostrophe is also used in short form words. So an apostrophe is used to show possession and to replace missing letters. See, look at the example. Molly's cat doesn't like eating fish. Molly apostrophe S becomes Molly's. And the other word which is used in short form, doesn't. The full form is does not, but we can also write it as short form as DOESN apostrophe T, doesn't. The next we have is called as hyphen. Looks like a small dash. We use it to join two or more words together. In the example, you can see Sachin is a well-known cricketer. The two words well-known, you can join it together by using a hyphen in the middle. And the last one we are going to learn is called as semicolon. It looks like a dot and a comma, one below the other. Semicolon is used when you want to join two or more phrases or group of words. For example, I have a big test tomorrow, semicolon, I can't go out tonight. You can see it on the screen. So now let's revise the 5 punctuations that we learned. The first one, full stop. Second one, comma. Third, apostrophe. Fourth, hyphen. The last one, semicolon. Children, let's begin with the written work for this poem. So kindly take your English notebook to write the notes. In the previous class, I had given you the homework to write the poem in neat handwriting in your English notebook. I hope, children, you have done the homework and kept it ready in your book. Now this question number 1, meanings, you are just going to continue below the poem. You will write it in very neat handwriting. So the first meaning is gutters. Channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. How it is shown on the screen, you are going to write it in the same way. Capital letters mentioned, you need to write it in capital. Small letters, you have to write it in small letters. The second meaning, pansies. Its meaning is small plants or their flowers. Then question number 2 we have is answer the following. First question, how long has it been raining? Answer, it has been raining all night. Question 2, what effect will the rain have on the following? A. Kitty, B. Roses, C. Pansies. Answer, A. Kitty. The kitty will wash his dirty feet. B. Roses. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at the court. C. Pansies. The pansies will all get muddy. Question number 3. What is the child planning to do the next day? Answer, the child is planning to sail a boat the next day. Children, see that you complete the 2 meanings and these 3 answers in neat handwriting in your English notebook. Thank you.